Okay, welcome to the Lesson 1 Project Help Guide. Please remember that this Project Help Guide is the same assignment as the Project Tools of the Trade. I did this because I want you to earn credit for the time that you spend watching this video, making sure that this project is completed correctly so that you can earn the work earns the credit for it. So this is the same assignment as the Project Tools of the Trade. It has the exact same links, so you're going to use the exact same screenshot. Please label them and keep them for your own record because there are some times where there are technical difficulties. So with that said, please click on this Lesson 1 Tools of the Trade. I would have the help video opened. You can spread them out so you can play this video and follow along at the same time. I'm actually going to open 2 of these since this is the help video, and I'm going to have one to work on and one that will step through the problems. So since I haven't, I'm just going to automatically hit the refresh button, just make sure that everything is clear. So in order to copy a segment, we have to have a segment to copy. Now draw a single line segment. So up here, segment, select it, draw your segment. Choose the Show/Hide label tool and click on the endpoints of your segment you just made. The endpoints will now be labeled A and B. This is the Show/Hide tool. Click on A, click on B. Step 2, now that we have segment AB, the next step is to find its measure. Choose the distance or length measurement tool and click on segment AB. Distance or length, click on segment AB, gives us a measure. Now we can see the length of the segment rounded to the nearest hundredth. Write this number down as you will need to use it in step 4. I'm just going to leave it showing right there. If you want to move it, you can select the mouse button and move it however you want. So I'm just going to move it right there. Now you need to draw a new point on segment AB. Choose the point tool, not the point on the object tool, and draw a new point by clicking on the white space somewhere away from segment AB. Choose a point tool, draw a new point by clicking in the white space somewhere away from segment AB. There we go. Select the Show/Hide tool, point C. For the next step, we need to construct a circle centered at point C with the radius equal to the length of segment AB. Choose the Circle with Center and Radius tool and click on point C. Once you do that, a box will pop up on your screen asking you what your radius should be. Enter the number you wrote down in step 2, then press OK. A circle would appear on your screen. So we're going to click on the circle with a center and a radius. Click on C. There's our center. The radius length, I can see it behind here. You type in whatever your length was. So I'm going to type in what my length was. It was 295.02. So please make sure that your radius has a different length than 295.02. Click OK. Now we see this large circle centered at C. Next, you'll draw the radius of circle C. Choose the point on the object tool and click on circle C, and a new point should appear. Choose the Show/Hide label tool and click on the new point you just made on the circle. This should now be labeled point D. Choose the segment tool and click on point C, and then the new point located on circle C. So we want a point on the object tool, this one. Select the circle, puts it on circle C. Select the Show/Hide label tool, select the point, that is labeled D. So now we're going to select our segment, click on C to D, Now we have this radius length. I am going to move my segment for AB right there so that when I verify, click on the distance or length. This is step 6. Click on C to D, 295.02. So please move your labels so that they are clearly seen and visible so that we can see every point and its label clearly. Now we are finished. So I'm going to zoom out because I want to see this whole screen. I am going to ask you that you take a screenshot that includes the tabs on your windows so that it just includes that whole screen. So if you're not able to do a screenshot, you can use a snippet tool and you can just take a snippet of your whole screen. So now that you have your screenshot, save it, label it as Lesson 1 project, and please save it as either a PDF, a doc, a PNG, a JPEG, one of those 4 types of, I guess, documents, so that I'll be able to open it.